Hi everybody, this is Diana from Sweet y Salado, and in this video we're going to make loaded baked potatoes, which are usually made with bacon, cheddar cheese, green onion, sour cream, all kinds of delicious stuff, and they're going to come out amazing. And remember that the link for this recipe can be found in the info box below. So here we have 2 large russet potatoes. They have been washed and dried well with a paper towel, and then we're going to pierce them with a fork, and this is going to help them cook evenly in the oven. Then we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. We're going to make sure they're completely covered with the oil. And we're also going to sprinkle them with a little bit of salt to taste. We're going to sprinkle them on both sides. After that, we're going to bake them at 400 degrees for about an hour to an hour and 15 minutes, or until you can easily pierce them with a knife. Then we're going to let them rest a little bit so they're easier to handle. And once they're cooled off a little bit, we're going to cut them lengthwise on top. Once we have it open, we're just going to scoop out all of the inside of the potato with the spoon, and we're going to place it into a medium bowl. And this is how it's going to look on the inside. Now we're going to add softened butter to that potato. We're also going to add sour cream, cheddar cheese, or any kind of cheese that you want. We're also going to add green onion. I'd like to use the white part of the onion for this, and chopped bacon. We're going to give it a good mix. And then before we forget, we're also going to season it with salt and pepper to taste. After this, we're going to place all of that potato filling back into the potato skins. And then we're going to place a little bit more of cheddar cheese and bacon on top. And then after this, we're going to place the potatoes back in the oven and leave them there for about 5 minutes or until all the cheese melts. After that, we're going to take them out of the oven, and if you want, you can add a little bit more of sour cream and green onions for garnish. And that's your recipe for making delicious loaded baked potatoes. If you enjoyed this recipe and this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe to this channel so you can be up to date with all the new videos that I upload in the future. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye, and buen provecho.